Level 4, Track 1.
To me, what the hell on earth is wrong with you? Baby, what the hell am I supposed to do? Baby, what the hell on earth is wrong with you? Baby, what the hell am I supposed to do?
And the answer.
It's never been a problem to me. Baby, what the hell on earth is wrong with you? Baby, what the hell am I supposed to do?
Level 4, Track 2. And the answer.
Everybody wants to know your name. How could you ever explain? And everybody's giving you the name of the wild one. Easy riders, in the wild one.
Level 5, Track 1. And the answer is...
I'm on the gravy train, riding in the midnight. Oh, on the gravy train, it's all gonna be alright. Put my left on the spinning wheel, shit came in, one big deal. I'm on the gravy train, let's roll.
Level 5, Track 2. And the answer.
Showing you really got me going, baby. You can give
Level 6, Track 1. And the answer is...
Cause I leave out the back way, not the way that I came in, because it seems like the logical way at the time. And then I run and seek a hideaway. I'm on the run, I'm falling, I'm a runaway. Can I go back? Can I go back where I started?
And the last one. Level 6, Track 2.
You get addicted to the power, the money and the fame. You need everybody to remember your name.
And the answer.
There isn't anything that anyone could ever say and change your mind, but if they try, you push them all away. Driving to glory, driving to fame, driving to glory, driving to fame.
Hey! Wasn't that fun? You should have identified 6 songs in this order. No problems. I'll try again. No problems. The Wild Ones, Gravy Train, Mystery Song, Runaway, and Driving to Glory. Thank you for listening all the way through. Here is something different to close.